Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to enable silent mode on this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. And for this, we just need to simply swipe down to open Quick Settings. And now you can see this dynamic icon. If you tap on it once, it will go in vibrate mode. If you tap it again, it will mute every sound. If you want to see these settings, you just need to press and hold it. And now you can see the sounds and vibration setting. So, you can go in the ringtone and change the volume. If you just swipe it left till the end, it will disable all of these sounds. You can do the same for the system sound and for the volume as usual. And to mute everything, you just need to select this option right here on the top of the screen. And also, there is an option to enable temporary mute, so you can set how long to keep your phone muted before returning to the previous sound mode. Just select the time, for example for 2 hours, and that's it. Now your phone will be muted for 2 hours and then get back to normal. So that was all for now. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.